Can you hear me, Bob? Hello? Yeah. Welcome everyone. Welcome live on site at the bus build. Some historic decisions have been made. There have been some changes, been some forward and backward moments. This time we're back for part 2 of the ceiling to see if they've changed anything. If you remember last time there was a bit of an issue, and let's see if they've overcome that. So let's join them now. Let's have a look inside and see what's been going on.
Then the next ceiling event was, we thought we'd try bamboo, you know, because we're going for this whole rustic beach scene. So we got bamboo, you know, that you use for tarpaulins or for fencing or something like that, and it looked great. So we cut it all out and put it all up, and it looked really, really stunning.
Hey guys, here we are again at the ceiling. Yeah, what can we say? After doing all our homework and putting all these insulation barriers in and everything else, we made the big mistake of drilling straight into the body of the van, which caused condensation, obviously. So that all came out again, and here we are again. New plan, gluing strips of wood on here, onto the beam, and then when that is dry, we can use that to drill our screws into that, which will hold the ceiling up. So yeah, a bit of a backward step, another cha-cha moment, I don't know. Anyway, we'll just take it as it comes. And yeah, fair enough. For the other side of it, we're getting to know the van really well like this. So this time I'm just drawing all the lines on so we know where our wooden battens are, so we can well, put the ceiling in, you know. Once the ceiling's in, things will progress quite rapidly from there, but let's see how we get on.
Really, really stunning. The only problem with that is that the bamboo is very uneven, which meant we could see the insulation. So, good morning people! We are now going on to ceiling number 3. Why? Because while this bamboo is really fun, you can actually still see all the silver and the yellow tape, and yeah, it kind of looks a bit shantytown, which is not really the feeling that we're going for. On the one hand it was, but on the other hand it wasn't.
Are you crazy?
So we've ordered some bamboo carpets, which is a very thin, flat, very pressed together bamboo. You know, we love the bamboo look. It's very natural. That's absolutely the look that we're going for. It's kind of like reminiscent of those beach mats that you have, but it's got a very fine backing, and the weight is amazing. But putting it up, oh my word, that was a nightmare and a half, because you put up one side and then the whole thing like sags, and you put up one. So yes, that was a lot of frustration, hence not a lot of video from those times, because we just, you know, we had to get the job done. So the big thing was, how do we keep it up? And guess what? We've got a whole bunch of steel. So we cut up the steel some more, and we've used that as braces, as supports. And it's actually really nice. I love the way it looks. So it's functional and it's really funky, and it's a little homage to our shacks in South Africa where we both grew up. So I hope you like the ceiling, and I hope you enjoy this video.
Well, there you have it. Some more news from the bus. Some exciting stuff happening here. Bit of cha-cha moments. A lot of new innovative stuff. A lot of interesting things happening. Stick around a little bit longer and see where they go from here. But I think we've learned a little bit. It's been an exciting day. I hope you've enjoyed it. Back to the studio. I'm always here on this dusty parking lot.